Hi friends, one of the smartest way to crack UPSC Prelims examination is to analyze PYQs. In this lecture, I am going to make a prediction for the UPSC Prelims 2026 on the basis of PYQ analysis and linking the PYQs to the current affairs. Guys, this video is part of my series of Predict the Unpredictable, where I will predict most of the questions which are going to come in the UPSC Prelims examination. My name is Santosh Pandey. I have the unique distinction of cracking the Prelims examination 6 out of 6 times. You can see some of my scorecards. You can join my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. And you can get my guidance for UPSC Prelims examination 2026. So guys, first I'm going to show you some of the PYQs. You can see this PYQ, it came in Prelims 2025. Okay, this question is on Article 6 of the Paris Agreement. And now see this question which came in the mains examination this year, General Studies paper 3. Can you see a similarity, guys? This is also talking about the Paris Agreement and what is India's NDC, Nationally Determined Contribution. On the basis of these two PYQs, I'm going to make a definite prediction for next year's prelims examination, and every candidate must prepare this topic in and out. I have prepared an Optima card on this which I'm going to share with you. So guys, you can see recently Environment Ministry has finalized National Designated Authority to kickstart carbon market. Guys, as you have seen that Article 6 which was asked in UPSC Prelims examination, this Article 6 is dealing with the carbon markets. One of the way to mitigate the impact of climate change is to trade carbon emissions. Guys, you can see Article 6 talks about emission trading regime. You can see here Article 6 defines contours regarding emission trading regime, and this was finalized at COP29 Baku last year. And now under this Article 6, it is mandatory that every country must come out with a national designated authority for carbon emission trading. Okay. And now government has come out of this. So you can see here this Optima card I have prepared on this. Ministry of Forest and Climate Change has established National Designated Authority, a key requirement under Paris Agreement to facilitate carbon trading regime. Guys, this National Designated Authority is a mandatory requirement under Article 6. Why we are preparing this? Because Article 6 already has been asked. So guys, Article 6 of the Paris Agreement basically outlines how countries voluntarily contribute for climate change target, which is called Nationally Determined Contribution, which was asked in the mains examination 2025 this year itself. Okay, so you can see here that this body, which basically is headed by Secretary of Environment, and guys, the responsibility of this body is basically recommend activities for trading emission reduction units under Article 6 of the UNFCCC and modify the list of approved activities in line with the nationally suitable goals, evaluate, approve and authorize projects for emission reduction, and also guys, authorize use of emission reduction units to meet India's nationally determined contribution. Guys, you know that Government of India has updated its NDC. Now the NDC basically is to reduce GDP emission intensity by 45% by 2030 from 2005 level and achieve 50% cumulative electric power capacity from non-fossil fuel by 2030 and create an additional carbon sink of 2.5 billion ton of carbon dioxide equivalent by 2030 through afforestation. So you can see how in one Optima card only I have collected all information. Article 6, you can see these two PYQs also I have added, and the new development, which is the Nationally Designated Authority for this Article 6 carbon trading. So guys, like this, every day I am giving you 10 most important questions for UPSC Prelims examination 2026 based on PYQ analysis. This is one example how I am linking the PYQs. You can start practicing this question. Most of the candidates, they are waiting for January or February to start practicing question. Guys, let me tell you from my experience of cracking prelims 6 times, the early you start, the better you are during the exam, and you can easily defeat your competitors. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.